loyal solo parent and hardworking mom. Let's dive into one of the most deceptive characters you will ever meet online or in real life. The one-eyed Jack Filipina. Now, I'm not talking about an actual missing eye here. I'm talking about the persona, the woman who shows you only one side of her face, her life, and her intentions, while hiding the dangerous half in the shadows. Stick around, because this isn't just a red flag warning. It's a survival guide for anyone navigating relationships in the Philippines or the social media jungle. Let's define it. The one-eyed Jack Filipina is the woman who, just like the old playing card, shows you a single eye. She presents a partial image. The sweet, innocent, smiling face, she talks about loyalty, culture, and respect, but hides the darker reality. You might see her posting daily selfies, always angled from her good side, but just like her photos, her character is cropped. She'll reveal the charm, the love, the affection, yet conceal the jealousy, manipulation, and agenda lurking underneath. She thrives on your blind spot while you're starting at the eyes she shows you. The hidden one is plotting how to drain your wallet, control your emotions, or destroy your reputation. Why do they act this way? It comes down to three things. 1. Control of perception. They only show what they want you to see, making you believe in a fantasy version of them. 2. Calculated mystery. By hiding half of themselves, they create intrigue. You chase after the missing puzzle piece. 3. Manipulative advantage. Once they've got your attention locked on the one eye, it's like playing poker. They're not holding a royal flush, but they bluff so well. You fold every time. I have seen this play out countless times. A foreigner meets a young Filipina online. She is all smiles, giggles, calls him my love and honey, but never once shows her full life. He doesn't know she's goggling three other guys. It's believing they're her only one. Another man marries a Filipina he met on Facebook. For months, she was the sweetest angel until the ring was on her finger. Suddenly, the other eye appeared explosive temper, constant demands, and public humiliation of her husband. The one-eyed Jack never reveals herself until it's too late. By then, you're already financially drained, emotionally invested, or legally trapped. Pay attention, here are the top warning signs. 1. Selective transparency. She shares bits and pieces of her life, but avoids full introductions to family, friends, or lifestyle. 2. Obsessive image crafting. She lives for selfies, filters, and staged perfection. Always one angle, never the whole picture. 3. Inconsistent stories. Her background changes depending on who she's talking to. 4. Over the top sweetness early on, she showers you with affection so fast it feels like a dream, but dreams can quickly become nightmares. 5. Sudden outburst. When her other eye slips out, you'll see flashes of rage, entitlement, or manipulation. So, how do you guard yourself against a one-eyed Jack Filipina? Do not rely only on a social media. Meet her real world, not just her camera angle. Cross-check stories. If her life details don't match, you've got a glimpse of the hidden eye. Take it slow. A one-eyed Jack wants speed marriage, money, visas. If she's rushing, she's hiding. Watch how she treats others. The eye she shows you is sweet, but the way she treats her relatives, quitters, or even her pets, that's the hidden eye talking. Be willing to walk away. If you sense that imbalance, don't wait until you've lost everything. The one-eyed Jack Filipina isn't just a person. She's a symbol of deception, of half-truths, of masked intentions. She can be anywhere online, in your city, even in your own home. So the next time someone shows you only their good eye, ask yourself, what's hiding in the shadows of the other one? Stay sharp, stay aware, and remember, love should be two eyes open, not one eye blind. Red warning text flashes. Beware the one-eye Jack Filipina. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.